I feel like I need to wear a safety goggles. Hello, welcome to the channel. I'm Chinetha and I hope all is well. In this video, I'm going to be applying a relaxer to my hair. I'm going to be doing a touch-up using the Gentle Treatment No-Lye relaxer. So this is what the box looks like. This is a twin pack and this is my second time using this relaxer. The kit only comes with this No-Lye cream. So this is step 1. So it comes with this. This is step 2. And that's it. That's it. It doesn't come with like the neutralizing shampoo or the conditioner. Normally I use the ORS relaxer, but I don't have that right now. And I'm like, since I have this, I might as well just go ahead and use this before it expires. So yeah, I have my own gloves. I always wear my own gloves anyway because these gloves, they fit a lot better to my hands than the gloves that come in the kit. And then I also have this wooden stirrer as well. First, I'm going to get started with sectioning off my hair, and then I'm going to be applying some hair grease around my edges and on my ear, and then I'll mix up the relaxer and everything. But yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. It's going to be me doing a touch-up on my 11-week post relaxer hair. I hope I'm saying that right. Anyway, it's been 11 weeks. We're gonna do a touch-up. I hope you all enjoy. All right, this is the before. I've already sectioned off this side of my hair. Oh, something fell. Try to make sure I get my ears, like the back of my ears. A lot of times relaxer gets caught behind my ear, or sometimes it gets caught in my ear as well. And then I got the back of my neck. I'm just gonna put hair grease on the upper middle portion of my hair, so that way it doesn't get overly processed. I try to keep the relaxer from getting on my hair, but a lot of times it still ends up getting on my hair while I'm trying to separate it and stuff. So that's why I put the hair grease on my hair. And then I'm twisting it like this. And then I put a hair clip on my ends. Like this. My hair in the back, I'm gonna section it off in smaller sections. This is how it looks in the back. Ooh. Okay. It doesn't smell that strong, but it does have a smell to it. Alrighty, I'm gonna mix this up and then I'll be back. I have never done this before, but I'm gonna try it. Oh no! Maybe if I go like this. As you can see, I'm applying the relaxer directly to my new growth using this applicator bottle. I actually tried applying the relaxer with a applicator brush first, but the product was so thin that it wasn't even really going on the brush. It was sliding off, and so I knew it wasn't going to go into my hair, so that's why I put it in the applicator bottle. And I got this bottle from the Dollar Tree. It came with 2 in a pack, so that actually worked out well. The only thing that I wish I would have done differently was use a rat tail comb to smooth out my new growth, to smooth out like my roots and my edges, because using my fingers, it wasn't smoothing it out as much as I needed it to be smoothed out. So I wish I would have used a rat tail comb to smooth out my hair. So yeah, after I applied the relaxer, I used a neutralizing shampoo from Design Essentials. essentials to wash out any chemicals that was in my hair, and I probably used that shampoo about 5 times to make sure everything was thoroughly washed out. And then I followed up with the ORS Deep Cleansing Shampoo and then the Creme of Nature Intensive Conditioning Treatment to give my hair a little moisture and to condition my hair after the relaxer. It's been 9 minutes. Time is winding down. Doing it this way, honestly, it's not that bad. Now, will my hair be straight as I want it? We'll see. Yeah, this formula is very liquidy. I don't really like how liquidy the formula is. It's super liquidy. And I mixed it very well, so. Child. I feel like I need to wear safety goggles. All right, it's been 18 minutes. I don't want to leave this in for no longer than 20 minutes. This did not go as planned. It was liquidy. Like, the gentle treatment relaxer is very liquidy. I want to say it was like that the last time, and I looked it up online and it said that that's common for the gentle treatment relaxer to be a little liquidy. It's not expired, so I had already looked at the expiration date before I even started this video. But yeah, it's very liquidy, so it did not go as planned, but it's in there and it looks fine. I mean, it looks pretty good. I believe when I first got my relaxer, the lady who did my relaxer put a super relaxer in my hair instead of just a normal relaxer. So I still want a little texture to my hair. I don't want my hair to be bone straight. So I am happy with the relaxer. It looks really good. So I used that Neutralizing shampoo by Silk Elements, and then I had used this olive oil deep cleansing creamy aloe shampoo. After I washed out the shampoo, I then followed up with this Creme of Nature Intensive Conditioning Treatment. I put this in my hair and I sat under the dryer for about 15 minutes with a shower cap on. So yeah, now I'm about to do a roller set. That's gonna be my next video. I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. If you have, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me some comments. Thank y'all for watching. Until next time, bye.